Beach pressure wash in Fort Walton Beach, Okaloosa Island. Today we are going to do this hotel, the beautiful Hilton Garden Inn right here on Okaloosa Island. Beautiful place, but she needs a bath. So our plan is to shoot the sides first. Well, this side anyway. And then we'll work our way around front and then go to the back. Joe, what's happening? Joe's ready.
Day in paradise.
Yes, Joe's ready to rock too. There's our lift. And then we going up there. Way up there to clean. Let's get started. Yes. Okay, here we go. The Gulf is angry today, my friends. We're on the beach side, the Hilton Garden here today. Doing all of this, full inside, ocean side. A nice little perspective here what we're up to today. I'm on a lift, like a couple stories high, doing our thing.